Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Yes, I'm in my van driving around, and I just want to give you an update on the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition or Forbes Edition, whatever you want to call it. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I just want to give everyone an update on my experiences with it, how I feel about it, and just have a discussion with everyone in the comments. So yes, I have been using it for about 3 weeks now, a little over 2.5, something like that. I don't know the exact day I got it, and I am loving this phone. Everything about it is Samsung. It is, and it's just a cheaper price that you can get it for. Let's talk about the overall build quality. Yes, it is made out of plastic on the back, but it really doesn't feel like it, and the phone feels premium when you're holding it. I showed it around. Everybody loved the color that I have, and nobody said it felt like a cheap phone, because it's really not. I mean, it doesn't feel like it's cheap at all. So the overall build is great. I'm not having any problems with it, and it just feels really good. The other thing I want to talk about is the 6.5-inch screen. Yes, it's 1080p, but it is an AMOLED panel, and it's full screen, man. It's a beautiful thing, when especially watching YouTube videos or Netflix. Anything that you watch on this phone looks great. And y'all let me know, how does everything sound here, because I'm using a mic, and this is the camera on the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. The video should be in 4K at 60 frames, so y'all let me know, how does it look and how does that sound, because what I'm seeing on the phone right now is it looks really good. And that's another thing. Let's talk about the cameras. The cameras on here, I put it against the Pixel 5, and everybody picked the Galaxy for video, and actually for overall winner of the video. It does a great job. I'm not gonna lie, the cameras are really good. The front camera, you can shoot in 4K at 60 FPS, which is great. Just like its big boy, the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now, here's the question I want to ask everyone. Did Samsung make a mistake by making this phone? Or did people make a mistake by buying the bigger Galaxy S20 Ultra or the Galaxy S20 Plus? Who made the mistake? If you bought the Galaxy S20 Ultra, are you mad that they came out with this Fan Edition? I bought the S20 Ultra, and I'm kind of mad they came out with this phone, because I could have saved $500, $600. I don't even remember what the S20 Ultra cost me. So yes, I'm a little mad. I think I could have saved some money. I didn't have to worry about selling it or anything, and I would have saved me some money with this Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, because you get the same experiences with the Galaxy S20 Ultra and the Fan Edition. So yeah, you could have saved $500, $600. I don't know what y'all think. It has the Snapdragon 865 processor in there, so you're not really missing out on anything. Y'all watch this 300 that passed me. Chrysler 300 right there. Ooh, that is nice. That will be the next car. The minivan will be sold or given away, and I'm buying me a Chrysler. But look at that camera. How does it look? Y'all let me know. Are y'all impressed with it, or is it ugly? Battery life on this phone has been better than my Galaxy S20 Ultra too. I don't know what they did or how they did it. Maybe it's just a 1080p screen, but I get way better battery life on this phone than I ever did on my S20 Ultra. And my Note 20 Ultra too, by the way. The Note 20 Ultra was the worst. But battery life has been good. The only complaint I really have is there's no cases for it, and no screen protector actually fits it pretty well. The other complaint, it does get hot when you play games on here, and also if you do some filming in 4K at 60 for a long time, or even 4K at 30, it does get a little bit overheated. I don't know. What y'all think? Do y'all have it? What y'all think about the cameras? Y'all let me know. But again, back to the price, $6.99 on T-Mobile right now. And you can actually get it. I got the phone free with bill credit, so that even makes it a better deal for me. But y'all let me know what y'all think. I don't know, if you had the S20 Ultra, do you think you got shafted by Samsung? Let me know in the comments. Let's get a discussion going. Another thing, the speakers, I did a speaker test with the Pixel 5 and the Pixel 4a. Yes, the speakers get loud, but it doesn't sound the best. It's like, it's loud, it does a great job, but I don't know, I guess I'm spoiled from like the LG G8 or something. The G8 is the phone, or even the Exxon 7 had great speakers too. And I think I got spoiled with those phones, because these phones get loud, but they just don't, they sound tinny. But y'all let me know what y'all think. Is it just me, or am I overreacting? I've been filming this thing for about 6 minutes now. Y'all let me know. Look at the clouds. They look actually pretty good right now. What y'all think about these type of reviews or vlogs where I'm actually using the camera? Do y'all like them, or do y'all want me to sit down in front of a table and talk about the phone and show off the phone more? Y'all let me know. But I'm definitely enjoying the phone a lot. I've been using it along with the Pixel 5. Yes, I carry 2 phones everywhere, pretty much 2 or 3. And I use this one more for YouTube and watching videos because it has that bigger screen. And I use the Pixel for like the cameras and stuff. Both battery life have been good. If y'all haven't checked out the speaker test or the comparison that I did, check out it. I have links in the description. Y'all can make up your own decision which one has the better cameras or not. But let's wrap up this video. I think I talked about everything I wanted to talk about it, and give y'all a little short update about my experiences with the phone. Am I enjoying it? Yes, I'm enjoying my experiences with the phone. If you are looking for a Samsung phone, if you're looking for that Samsung experience, then this phone would be yours. Save your money. Don't buy the Galaxy S20 Ultra unless you can get it cheaper than this one, because it's been out for, you know, a couple months now, 6-7 months. Look at that sunset too, but I'm really enjoying it. If you're looking to pick it up, watch the videos, do your homework. All right, so let's get a friendly discussion in the comments. Do y'all agree with me, disagree? If you have the phone, let's just have a friendly discussion in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition or Forbes Edition. Also follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.